What is up, BogDeepTV? Welcome back. Yes, it is getting later at night. I even know it's only 6 o'clock almost. But we're gonna do a little pre-planning for one of our videos coming up here soon. I don't know, many of you know, some of you didn't know about Humvees do, that before they were putting heaters in MREs, they were using an engine to heat up an MRE. So I've got the great idea of cooking some steaks, maybe some fries on the Humvee engine block. So today what we're going to do is going to start it, run it for a little bit, and see what kind of temperatures we get. So I need to start it and run it for a little bit anyways. So here we go. Hopefully video quality is better because I've spent my stimulus check on a new camera. But we'll get this old girl started. Wait, start. Yeah, batteries could run, USB run. There we go. We'll let it run for a few minutes, get the temperature while we look for some good places to point, and then I'm going to use this to figure out where the good temperatures are at. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to BogDeepTV. So we got buddy Shiloh who's on his way over to help me film, but in the meantime I'm going to try and get the steaks on here and in place. So bear with me. Try and place this so y'all can see what I'm doing somewhat. There we go. So get my wide body up here. We got steaks wrapped in aluminum foil, of course, because you know, while I don't mind a greasy steak, I don't want steak grease all over my Humvee. Alright, there's one steak. Make sure it's not touching any wires. Alright, I think that'll be good. Oh wait, nope, that was the fries. I don't want the fries there. Yes, we are even having fries. Fries don't really need too much direct heat. They just need heat. And that's gonna be a good spot for fries. So, go wait till he gets here. Once he gets here, start the video back up, and we'll see if we can cook some steak on the Humvee. We're gonna take a drive down to the Pinnacles, take some pictures, come back, go to a car show, and while we're at the car show, we're gonna have steak dinner. So, stick around. Alright, let's go here and check these steaks. Forgot the wires. Drum roll. Go there. Not as warm as I'd hope, but they're warm. Alright, well, we're gonna go take some quick pictures and we'll get back on the road. Alright, so engine didn't work. So we're going plan B. Exhaust. And now I gotta put on here and put it on more of the exhaust. Ugh. But we're still gonna try to cook the fry on the engine. Ugh. Let's see. Oh, this is nice and shiny. I think that'll do. Well, there's that one. I think we'll just take the fries and jam them back under here. Yeah. That ain't going anywhere. Alright, well now that's jammed in there. Say we go to the car meet. Guarantee no enough raw food to eat. I have less space for these. Oh yeah, they're still soggy. Soggy fries, anyone?
If you don't mind if I do.
Try one. So,
They're good. Man, that's good.
Anyone want some steak? Got A1 sauce too.
Yeah, it's good.
That makes it more authentic though.
Sounds good. Man, those fries are good.
Alright, now I can eat. What, you never eaten from the hood of a Humvee like this?
No.
Actually pretty good. Kind of cold, but it's good.
So it cooked it all the way through.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. This fries were really good too.
Oh no, this is good. Like that hickory.
Oh yeah, I bet.
Gordon Ramsay be proud.
Oh yes.
I'm really upset. We're gonna find out on TikTok. Alright everyone, that's the video. Didn't turn out as well as I thought it would. Still good. Tastes delicious. So, you know, remember, tell a phone, tell a friend, tell about where you've been, but tell them about BogDeepTV. Follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and now I am randomly doing TikTok. So yeah, go look at us there, and keep watching. Like, subscribe, comment what you want to see next. Thank y'all. Yep.